Hi everyone, and welcome to part 4 of our Excel shortcut series. In the previous video, we looked at selection shortcuts to help you select data in Excel. Today, we'll be looking at grid operation, which involves inserting or deleting cells and filling columns and rows. To start, I encourage you to open the Excel file we'll be using, which is linked in the description below. Once you've done that, do your best to follow along with me so you get accustomed to using the shortcuts. If anything is unclear, then please comment down below. Throughout the video, I'll be referring to Windows shortcuts as I have a Windows device. I will, however, display the equivalent Mac shortcuts as well. When you open the file, you'll find this budget here, which consists of income and expenses for a given year. The first grid operation shortcut we'll cover is inserting and deleting cells. To insert a cell to the right of cell C6, select that cell and then click Ctrl and the plus key. We then use the up arrow to select Insert to the right and then click Enter. As you can see, Excel has inserted a cell, moving all the others in this row to the right. To delete the cell, click Ctrl and the minus key. With rows and columns, it's exactly the same. Let's say we want to add another expense row here. To do this, select the row and then click Ctrl and the plus key to insert the row. To delete it, simply click Ctrl and the minus key. To insert a month, select the column and then once again click Ctrl plus to insert and Ctrl minus to delete. It's also really useful to know how to clear the contents of cells without actually deleting them. Say we want to get rid of these food expenses, but don't want to delete the row. To clear the cell contents, select the cells you want to clear, and then click Alt-HEA to clear the contents. Now that we've cleared these cells, let's assume we want to introduce a monthly food expense of £400. To do this, input 400 in the first month, and then we can select the remaining months and click Ctrl-R to fill them with the same value. The equivalent operation for columns is Ctrl-D. Filling columns and rows this way is therefore much quicker than using the mouse to toggle cells. The last shortcut I'll cover today is how to zoom in and out, which saves you the need of going into View, clicking Zoom, and then adjusting the percentage. To zoom in, click Ctrl Alt and the plus key, and to zoom out, click Ctrl Alt and the minus key. So those are some of the most useful shortcuts to do grid operations in Excel. In the next video, I'll cover formatting shortcuts to help you style Excel sheets more efficiently. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for weekly Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.